And today guys I'm going to show you how to make an origami creeper from Minecraft. So let's get started.
So for getting started, we need 2 square sheet paper. And if you don't have any square sheet paper and have a rectangular paper, then you can make the square sheet paper from this rectangular paper. Now this is the process of making it. Now cut this part of paper. Now fold it in half. Now make the crease. Now fold it like this and on the other side. Now make the crease. Unfold it. Fold it in half by rotating the paper like this. Make the crease. Fold it like before. Make the crease. Now fold it in half by rotating the paper. Now unfold it. Now here you should draw the face of the Minecraft creeper. You can also do it by a pen. I'm doing it by a mark. You'd color it in black. So then you'll make a crease here, here, and here. Like this to make a crease. Here to make a crease. Now we'll make a crease here. Now here. Now we should draw it like a Y. Like this. It's a Y. Now here. Now fold it carefully here. Okay, now you should just press it to make it a flap. These creases that we made earlier, like this. 2 creases inside, and the other crease which is left should be outside, like this. And there's a hole here. You should insert it in it. Now you should press from both sides. We should not press the head, because head should be a cube. In this part it's inside. You press it, so it should be a cube outside. Okay. here and here. So the head is cube and the creeper. Now the creeper's body is ready. Now we'll make its legs with this paper. Fold it in half. Now make a crease. Unfold it. Fold this part in half. This part in half. Now fold this part in half. And this part in half. Now rotate and fold it in half and make a crease. Fold this part half and make a crease. Fold this part in half and make a crease. Now fold this part in half. Now this part in half. Now carefully fold it like this in the crease, like this, and also on this side. Like this. Do it on the other side. Now fold from here in the crease, right here, and on that crease you should also fold backwards, so that, okay, now fold. Now these are the legs of the Minecraft creeper. Now let's join the legs from here, okay, from here, like this. Now we should insert it. Okay, push it. Now your Minecraft creeper is done. Good job if you made it. It's so cool. It can stand also. Here, and here is our creeper.
So if you guys enjoyed the video, just smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye!